Ha kajingelang jangka Meghalaya SSA Schools Association kablalong ha kakando terik una opera arjar arpusau hamadan student. Nakaliang ginohikai SSA kilashim garai bansange no agajingya ki henrekin boddian pat ban penurlong ikimat jingdawa leng bagajingya kran bat ke sorkar jela. Habakran ikilat patai kubor uba Aristotle Rembai u presiden janganik association. Ulong bahaga jingalang lashim garai ban pensange no ekarai beneki kumbalashim maga arterik urisau arhajar arpusau. Bat ban bot dien no ban pun urlong himat jeng daba leng ba ki jing yakran ulong ru ha kabede bekino hikai kebede benele ek examen Meghalaya Teacher Eligibility Test MTET sarkar kadi benchim khaya baro kino hikai SSA ki balarung syakakam halani shwa kashitarik unaitung arhajar arpau ulak dauru bah kashitarik unaitung arhajar arpau kadi katarik bakatana pule puti kalapan mi akan notification halor kajingnan kam kino hikai ban pas ke examen MTET nalor kane kino hikai SSA kala shimru ban ai jengmot ke sarkar ban thung no dak empower committee ke bakentup iki officer na katanat puli puthi ke sarkar jela katanat law katanat personal katanat finance katanat planning bat nak association kadang banyak menekran nalor ki kam ke bidang sateng ki bayadai bat kino hikai SSA
financial that the cabinet committee on economic affairs have given its approval for extension of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan scheme for the next 5 years, that is with effective from 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2026. This letter was sent on 6 August 2021 to all the education secretary of all the states and union territories in our country, and it was signed by Kamal Gandhi, the Under Secretary to the government of India. The second letter was sent on 16 August 2021, and this letter was also sent to all the secretaries of the states and union territories in India, informing them that the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs have given its approval for extension of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan scheme for the next 5 years, that is with effective from 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2026, and this letter was signed by Manish Garg, who is the Joint Secretary to the Government of India.
Karai kabangila shim menta kasingi hakani ka meeting kabala dong menta kadai ka meeting ka bahar kami kabangila khot hadin ka kaji kendo jongi bat ka government kata khat patrik jong 9 November arja pasau bat satrik jong 9 December arja arusal kadang kong karai kabangila shim kalong ba yak tu karai kabangila shim hak atrik jong 9 Oktober arja pasau balada ngimyo kano ka positive response na gongin ngin penlong ya ki program jingeki hapo state Meghalaya mentara kawe kasur unanimously ngin shim ya karai ba nginom teng show ya ka jingeki henry ngin teng ya ka jingekren bat ka sarkar kabaar ngila shim ya karai ba hakapai dei bat kini kinong hikai ki padang dei banile ya ka MTET ngi ngila shim ya karai mentara sngi ba ka sarkar kan an consider ya baro kinong hikai SSA ki ba join hal anishwa ka shitrik ugna Julai 2000 arpo kapadai ka tarik kaba nakaliang jong ka education department kala penmi ia ka notification ka shitrik jong na Julai arjar arpo kaba kala ong ba ka MTET kalong mandatory ya baro nado katoka sngi kaba penmi ia ka notification ya ki bakwa banlong kumki no hikai kabalai karai kabangila shim kalong bangin ajmud ya ka sarkar bakan thungno ya ka empower committee but kit khot jong kani ka empower committee kindai na po law department, personal department, finance department, planning department, education department but kuntubro naka association but ya kikam ki badangsa hakaban ya kren detail sa kabay day but ki points ki bangila suggest ya ka government bakan kuntublang haka policy na ka job security jong kinoy ka SSA ban ya kren no da ka empower committee tikini kilong kilay tindi kiray ki bangila shim kasi